Alright guys, welcome back to Dirty Bird Neurological, signing on the Max once again. Dirty Bird is
It's not even facing you. Or this way. Yes.
completely fucked up. Bro, how do you feel?
I feel great.
You feel great?
Rainbow hearts and unicorns.
Yeah? Rainbow hearts and unicorns, bro? It's so amazing.
The doors are closing. Train departing. Please hold on.
Really quiet. You don't have anything to say at all. Bro, so how do you really, truly feel?
I feel like this pole is my lifeline, and if I let go, I'm going to fall down.
Hey bro, guess where we're at? Yeah, don't they make the best Chinese food though? No? Figured that they'd make like the best Chinese
Blue
food.
line to Gresham.
Guess what?
So it's a lie? It's a lie. So why don't you tell the viewers how many of those Starbucks things you bought?
So they were
The doors
selling,
are closing.
there was like 4 flavors available.
Please hold on.
I was like, I should get 4. And I was like, no, that'd be too much. So I got 3.
So you got 3 out of the 4. Isn't 3 too much? 3's just right. So 4's too much and 2's too little. So you wanted 3.
The doors are closing. Train departing.
How does it make you
Please
feel?
hold on.
It'd be better.
Can't even think straight, can you? No?
I can't even think straight. So what are you talking about?
Well, it's a good thing you're not sober. So, bro, what's our goal right now on the Max?
On the max?
Yeah.
We're going to a place, and then a thingy, and then another thingy, and back to the other thing.
Well, who do we have to dodge?
Oh, shit. Yes, on the max. Alright. We gotta dodge security, because we broke.
We broke.
Over there! That's
So,
Woo!
so we have to dodge crime and security
Come on, man! Yes, like dear life.
for dear life.
Dear life.
Well, it's a good thing we have cigarettes.
We got life.
We have cigarettes. So our adventure today was supposed to only be like 3 hours, and we left at 10, and it's been almost 6 hours since we've been back. So how does that make you feel, bro? How many banks did we go to before we finally cashed your check? Like 5? 2?
Love it, Center, baby. Woo!
Chase.
Sing a little pop for me. But singer!
Yeah.
Yeah! Good time.
This motherfucker. He's just screaming in the background. I think he's drunk.
To my left and right.
How does that make you feel, bro?
I think that.
Yeah?
Train by walking 1 block west.
While we're at the Moto Center, what's where you used to work?
Izquierda. Transbordo los trenes de la línea verde de la línea roja.
Bro, you're turning each and every which way.
Transborde a los
Gotta face
trenes
the
de la
camera.
línea amarilla, caminando 1 cuadra al oeste.
Motor's right there. To your left. It's right across the street.
Miss Bob Singer. Oh, yeah.
I see it now.
You see it now?
Yeah.
Well, that's good. How does it make you feel, bro?
Oh, what was
Loud?
How about
Loud.
that old time? Okay, yeah, there we go.
Are we gonna sit down?
Go!
Yeah.
Shaw.
Blue line to Gresham.
Moving on up in the world, right?
Yeah, right.
First we stand, now we sit. It's all the good shit in life. Now you feel comfortable? Yeah? Well, good news is no security. Yes. As he's rummaging around in his backpack.
The doors are closing. Train departing. Please hold on.
Oh yeah, look at that. Pulls out another one. Bro, you're gonna OD on this.
On what?
You're gonna OD on this.
The doors are
It's possible.
Train departing.
You could overdose
Please
drinking
hold
water.
on.
Bro, fact or fiction?
What?
Is the human body 80% water? Fact or fiction?
Didn't it say like 60% or something?
How you doing? You look like you're about to cough. Chug, 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 chug.
In the priority seating area, you are required to move for senior.
I wasn't telling you, I was encouraging you.
facilities.
En el área de asientos de prioridad,
Bro, what happened to your lip,
deberá
dude?
ceder el lugar a personas de edad avanzada
Yeah.
y personas con dificultades físicas.
Someone punch you? Yeah? Alright.
Convention Center.
Oh, he got the kadunk?
To my right.
So if any of you guys out there don't know what the kadunk is, it's where he punches him once, twice, and elbows him as he spins. It's known as his kadunk.
Blue line to Gresham.
Right, left, spin.
Línea azul.
Hey, you got the kadunk? How do you feel afterwards?
He was saying, I'm sorry. You're so much better than me. I'm sorry.
The doors are closing. Train departing.
Bro, what are you
Please
feeling right
hold
now?
on.
I was asking the same question, Carter.
I'm just checking in with you, that's it.
Look, just now I was perfect. Last 3 times you said this. I was perfect. Last 2 times you said this.
But you're stoned.
The 3rd time I was going well. The last time you said, you know my answer is this time.
You're peachy?
Damn, I thought I was going to say peachy.
Might as well piss in a jar and label it Grandma's Old Peach Tea.
She listened to yours. It's better than court.
Bro, you were just saying something and you stopped.
What's that?
You were, yeah. You're like, you listen here, you Batman versus Superman quoting motherfucker, and then you're like, oh. And then you stopped.
Northeast.
How many fingers am I holding up?
Doors.
Just one? Are you sure? Because I'm pretty sure there's 2 there.
Puertas a mi derecha.
Here also.
No, I'm pretty sure I was holding up 2. Yeah. Check the camera. Yeah, let's ask Tri-Med Security to check the camera. Because that's great for your YouTube channel. Yeah? Yeah, bro, look, little big
Blue
burger.
line to Gresham.
Línea azul a Gresham.
Oh yeah. So we were talking earlier. Yeah, you dropped your cigarette, bro.
Well, just a little bit.
The doors are closing. Train departing.
I don't know.
Please
It's
hold
all on the
on.
floor somewhere.
I guess you could, yeah.
But we were talking earlier when we were walking that you know, if you guys have any ideas for like the haunted places of Portland, we will go with a power bank and we will stay the night and give you our reactions on it. We're also going to do a side series of Portland Mysteries. of abandoned buildings and shit, because we passed one abandoned building and kind of cracked the joke that on the windows were marked numbers. They were like, this is how many people died in each room. And then when we turned the corner on the side of the building, they had 2 doors that had no landing.
Check, those fucking doors. Like, you'll have to be like, I'm home.
So some Looney Tune shit? Huh. Weird.
But no, we
Blue line to Gresham.
this is like one of those
Línea azul a
horror
Gresham.
movies, like,
Doors leading to nowhere.
yeah, windows all boarded up, not looking all weird.
So yeah, we're thinking about going over there sometime soon. Probably be on Friday. What are you looking for? You completely forgot you had M&Ms.
Yes.
You're ridiculous. Your peanut butter M&Ms too. You sure they're not melted? Watch this motherfucker eat his M&Ms.
You know, when the camera at you, right? It's like helpful for people.
But you're not eating in front of anybody. But you're eating in front of
The
other people
doors
though.
are closing. Train departing. Please hold on.
So what's the difference between eating in front of people or eating for the camera? Dude, the Max, it just keeps stopping and jerking, bro.
Proof of payment and validated fare are required on Max.
Se requiere comprobante de pago y boleto validado para usar el Max.
Hey, bro. How does that make you feel? How does it make you feel, bro? How does it make you feel, bro? How does it make you feel? Get a panorama of this motherfucker. I don't know. What should we name this video? Bullshitting on the Maxwell. Oh, fuck. Bullshitting on the Maxwell High. Yeah? Shaw, bruh. He would totally say it, but his mouth is full of nuts. Peanut butter nuts. Oh, bro, we're like 2 Max stops away, bruh. Yeah. Shaw, bruh. Shaw. So, you have any last words? Just the M&Ms. Why don't you actually say something? You don't want to talk with your mouth full because you don't want to sound like a douche. Great minds think alike. So I'm guessing you like. Alright, we're signing off. Don't.
Hollywood Transit Center, Northeast 42nd Avenue.
Don't get a relationship like mine.
Doors to my left.
Because then you just want to do some dumb shit. Like, get really,
Puertas
really
a mi
fucking
izquierda.
stoned when you're unlikely. You get way more high than you should be. Yep.
Some real shit right there. Signing off with your
Blue line
M&Ms.
to Gresham.